everyone, and welcome back. This is Phyllis of JRC Restoration, Decor, and Design. Well, that clock is winding down to exit out of 2019 and to enter into 2020. And I am very excited about what is in store for me. This video will be one of two final videos that I share in 2019. This is entitled the New Year's Eve Kitchen Island Setting. Now I'm setting it up to flow with my dining tablescape that will be part of a New Year Tablescape 2020 collab, and that is to be uploaded on January 1st. Here you see that I have a black runner, which are actually two curtains that I put together as one, so it could run the full length of my island. And in the middle you see here is silver mesh. This is left over from what I laid out on my dining table, and it's also a piece left from a Christmas wreath that I made. And what I want to do here, I want to give a big bow effect in the middle. So what I'm doing is pinching it together and just using straight pins to pin it down. Now in reality, if I was setting this up for someone to eat at, I would set it up with the place setting that you will see without the mesh. But again, this is just setting for appearance sake. Okay, now that I have it all pinned together, I'm just kind of poofing it together to give that bow effect on the ends. I like the way this turned out. Now what's going to come up are glass chargers that I purchased from Goodwill, and the charger is going to sit right in the middle of that, giving the effect that it is the knot of the bow. And here they are. Again, I got these from Goodwill. I actually got one or two from Atlanta Goodwill store, and then the other I got from the Goodwill in Baltimore. But I love how this sits in the center and it's giving that knot effect that you see in bows. And these black plates, they came from the Dollar Tree. Now these leopard print plates, they're actually the smoky black glass plates that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. And the leopard print is gift wrapping paper that I Mod Podged or decoupaged on the back of the plate. I did a video, I uploaded a video just a few days ago on how I made this. So I'll leave a link in the description box below if you'd like to see how I made this. And then also coming up next, I made matching coasters. And the coasters were purchased from Goodwill, which you see right here, and they were a set of 10 that I got in a bundle from Goodwill, and I believe they were name plates, not name plates, but number plates or settings for a wedding, because they were numbered 1 through 10, and they were picture frames because the backs of them, I pulled the backs of them off. And then these glasses, I use this in my Christmas setting. I have one on this end and one on the other end. They came from Goodwill as well, and this came from Goodwill, but this is different from the two on the end, but I thought it still flowed very well. Now coming up, you'll see that I am taking some napkins that I used on my Christmas tablescape. They were used, this right here, I folded into the fan-like shape, and I'll be tucking them in the glass and letting them fan out like a fan. But I use these in my Christmas tablescape. I pinned them together in a circle to create a napkin wreath, Christmas wreath, with the deer head napkin rings that I made. If you'd like to see that video of how I made that, if you haven't already seen it, then I'll link that video in the description box below. But here I am just tucking them in the glass, and then I bring the two middle pieces together and use a straight pin to pin it so they won't fall, so the fan does not separate. And here you can't see it, but I'm showing a straight pin, and again I just bring the two ends together and pin it so that it can fan out into a fan. Now I will also be putting napkins in the plate, but it'll be a different look that I am absolutely in love with. That tutorial will be linked in a video that I will be uploading with my New Year's Tablescape 2020 collab. That video will be linked in the description box of the January 1st video. And you'll see the napkins coming up here in just a minute, but I just love the way these fanned napkins turned out in the glass. Okay, the gold flatware I purchased from Goodwill in a bundle. It was like 42 pieces for $12.92. The gold and white tapered candlesticks are from the Dollar Tree, and the green candle holders, or the teal glass-like candle holders, those are from Hobby Lobby. I got those several years ago. These glass candlesticks that's holding the white candles, those are also Goodwill as well. Okay, coming up are the table napkins that I informed you earlier that I will have a tutorial link in the description box of my New Year Tablescape 2020 collab. And here it is. Isn't this beautiful? It's a dinner jacket and shirt. The shirt, dinner jacket, bow tie, and cummerbund are all Dollar Tree paper napkins. This is the same napkin that I used to tuck in the glass. I just shaped it into a ball gown dress. Again, I will have the tutorial linked in the New Year Table 2020 collab video so that you can also create this if you choose to do so. But I love how these came out. They're very easy. It just takes time to look at the video, but there's a video showing you how to do the shirt and the jacket.